Alright guys, how's it going? Moto Dragon here again. This is a bit of a different video. I don't actually even know where the mic is. I think it's up here. But today, what we got is, I'm using the DSLR for this, so I don't actually know what way it's gonna look or it's gonna turn out. Not too sure. But yeah, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna add a few different mods to this beast. I have a tripod here, so I'm gonna try something different. It's also really windy out, and I've never recorded with this camera, so I don't know what it's going to be like. So anyway, what we're going to be doing is putting on some of these bad boys. Let's see if I can. I'm gonna have to try the manual focus on it. So yeah, we're going to put some of these bad boys on. These are some levers from FXCNC Racing. I think they're Chinese, but they look amazing. Like, look at the colours on them. So I think they're going to be so nice. We also have some beautiful carbon fibre for the hugger, and we have some carbon fibre for the heel plates. So I do have, let me just show you these. Oh, excuse me. I do actually have some indicators, but I only realised that I can't actually use them on the bike. And that's because these are all like completely different, and I never looked into it. I never looked into it at all, but I need to get adapters for them and an adapter for like here. First thing I'm gonna do is these bad boys. I'm actually fucking leaving over here. What am I doing? It's very professional, but yeah, we're gonna change it for this, which I think is gonna look really, really nice. So let's do it.
Yeah, I think they know I'm about to blow up soon. I'm too high up in this game like ET over the moon. I've been over your heads like the luggage sitting over your head. So while you looking right under your bed, I guess you missed what I said. Like, actually, you ain't never passing me less it's liquor, then you better pass to me. I do this shit casually. From now on, address me as your majesty, or else you getting some casualties. They just wanna know that if I'm fucking all these hoes, tell me where the hoes at. You been acting crazy, won't you sip and tell them cognac? They be looking deep past the blunt, tell them hold that, hold back. Homie, this a throwback. See me at the function, I'm the man, I'ma own that at will. Popping bottles, no pills, yeah, I do this for real. Need a house in the hills. Love.
I think that looks so much better already. So the reason I'm not putting any Loctite on it is because I don't think it needs it. It's not a very like vibey part. I think it might be okay, and I'm not using a torque wrench because I don't actually have one. So yeah, now to do the rear hugger, and then we will do the levers. Okay, so I have to remove this now, and then I have to give it a clean. So the way I'm actually going to do this is with the sticky pads. I'm not going to do it with a drill because I don't really think I need to. The only issue is I have to let it sit for about 12 hours, so I got these bad boys.
Back on the bullshit, I look at the factors. I cannot rap all of these rappers backwards. Most of them acting, so label them some actors. Slow it down just to rap a little faster. Up on the flow, I bought a new chain. Faster I go, only one in my lane, yeah. I think they need to hear that. Always with my...
Got it. Okay. Shooting out a lot faster than I would have liked to, so I'm gonna have to clean this up because this is, I'm gonna have to clean this up because it's dirty. So let's bring this over to the other side and clean this bad boy. What I'm gonna do is get a bit of WD-40 and clean just all the gunk that's in here, and then I have just literally, oh shit, soapy water and another cloth because I have the ACF on this, but I don't mind the ACF on the cloth with the WD-40, so just gonna, and of course I picked the empty can, but I'm just gonna spray this on. I don't know where to put some of these stickers. I'm gonna stick these on and then put the camera back on because I need to stand up. My legs are really sore. I'm hunking over. I don't have a table. We're renovating, so all the there's no space. But I'll do that and I'll put it back on then. Right, that's that done. So if it comes off after this, they have some issues. They have some explaining to do. So I'm not actually going to record this. It's going to take too long. But I'm going to peel all these off and then I'll put the camera back on. That was a bit of a faff, to be honest, but I don't have a problem with not drilling this now. I don't think this is going to come off at all. So what I'm going to do is try line it up, and then I'm going to get the clamps and clamp them. So let's do this. Right guys, so I'm a genius. So I have two clamps on each side, and I just have a vitamin bottle in the middle. I hope this is in focus. I have a vitamin bottle, so I can just, and I have that clamped down fairly tight as well. So I'm gonna have to leave this for the 12 hours because I can hear it like stick and unstick when you can actually see the mess of the garage. Whereas on it we're doing renovation, so no real room for anything. So I'm gonna let that sit. I'm probably not gonna do the reveal today because I'm gonna let that sit, let it do its thing overnight. But last job, I'm gonna do the levers now. So I'm pretty happy with how this is going to turn out. I think it's going to look really nice. But let me move the tripod again and I'll set this up so we can do the levers now, and that'll be the last job. Last job is going to be the levers, replacing the levers that came on the bike with these beautiful levers. I think these are going to look so nice. Really nice colour, completely different. That's the reason I got them. I didn't get them to, you know, match with the bike. I got them to stand out from the bike.
My fam, we together like some meerkats. Wanna talk about some stars, homie, know we're that. My faith too strong, and haters tend to fear that. You don't wanna play music on my mind, I'm recording every day. All up in my soul, it's the only place I lay. If you acting up at all, then you ain't allowed to stay. Yeah, you don't wanna play music on my mind, I'm recording every day. All up in my soul, it's the only place I lay. If you
Nice, okay. Ah, yes. Nice, brake light works. I'm a happy bunny. They look so nice.
acting up at all, then you ain't allowed to stay. They just wanna know that if I'm fucking all these hoes, tell me where the hoes at. You been acting crazy, what you sippin', tell them cognac. They been looking deep past the blunt, tell them hold that, hold back. Homie, this a throwback. See me at the function, I'm the man, I'ma own that. Look, yeah. I think they know I'm about to blow up soon. I'm too high up in this game like ET over the moon. I've been over your heads like the luggage sitting over your head. So while you looking right under your bed, I guess you missed what I said. Like actually, you ain't never passed me. Less it's liquor, then you better pass to me. I do this shit casually. From now on, address me as your majesty, or else you getting some casualties. They just wanna know that if I'm fucking all these hoes, tell me where the hoes at. You been acting crazy, what you sippin', tell them cognac.
Alright guys, so I'm on the phone now. You can see the quality probably got a lot different. Well yeah, I kept having the lever on. What was happening is I think I just need to get grease for it. Look how dirty it is on here. I think I just need to get grease because it's okay now. But there's still a bit more of a gap than I'd like, so what I'll do is bring it down to my mechanic, see if maybe this just needs to be filed down in here. I did put a bit of silicone shine in it. You can see how wet it is there. Just that might help. I did drive it up the road and it changed gears and all okay, so I'll see. I really like them. I think they look so fucking cool, and we can see the carbon fiber here. Like it looks so nice. I just wish I could get the hugger on, like you can see it there. So I'm not going to be able to do anything with that. You see my camera there. Actually, I'll put the lens cover on it. I'm hoping it turned out okay, because if not, well then probably not going to be seeing this video at all. I do have to get new indicators, and I do have some, but I just need to get the adapters and all. That's if I want to keep them. I don't know if I will. But look guys, yeah, that's the video. Hope I've enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think. If you'd like to see more stuff like this, let me know, and I'll figure like the whole camera setup and all, because I don't even know how it looked, if the lighting was good, because like as you can see, like it's really dark in the garage. And I said we're getting like work done, really are getting a lot of work done. So this is my working area, so there wasn't a lot of room. But yeah guys, I'm really happy with it, especially how the carbon fiber looks. Look at this little spider, little bastard, get off. I think it's gonna look really, oh, it's on me now, get away. I think it's gonna look really nice with the hugger on. But guys, that's the video. Hope all of you enjoyed. Let me know what you think, especially with the levers. I think they look really think they look really nice. But look guys, that's the video. Hope all of you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and talk to you all in the next video.